Well, howdy fellers. So finally got this side of the Limo-Drop skinned out. Got the exterior plywoods on, and kind of did it backwards because I put the plywood on, and then I put on these blocks afterwards on this side. Really should have done the blocks first. So it was a little bit of a pain because I had to kind of clean out glue out of the corners and stuff. But should have done the blocks first. But that was okay because this came out so wavy, gave me a chance the way I ended up doing it. Where I could clamp and kind of pull everything straighter because it was pretty wavy. But that's also came out wavy because I didn't have all these blocks here to nail to. So we got little blocks here for this small curve, and then up front we've got a lot of little 1x2s going all the way around. So I'm going to show you what I mean over here. So on this side, I actually did all this morning. Put all these little blocks in first. If we look over, wait, let me see if we can zoom in. You can see all those blocks I put in after the fact now. But zoom back out. So anyways, now we got the blocks. I had a straight board, flat edge board, and I used that. I screwed it in place with some wax paper to keep the glue from sticking to the board. And then I screwed it down with the wax paper, blah, 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 and then I glued all these blocks. So now we've got a zillion blocks in place. And then same thing going this way. And then we've got our bigger blocks going back this way to keep up with our curve. So now this side is pretty much ready to get skinned. I need to do a little sanding to smooth this out a little bit, but it's pretty flat. I need to put in a block here. Forgot about that. And then on this side, I did actually go ahead and I've routed everything out really good. Had a couple little spots I had to fill in a little bit here and there. Basically, I did one 4x8 sheet here, and then I split a sheet, so it was like 2x8 sheet right here. I saved half of that for the other side, and then I did one 4x8 sheet, half of it here and the other half right there, and then I had one little piece of a gap right there. I don't know if I'll do it the same way on the other side. I don't know, but and then I routed all these with the blocks, and that made little bumps, but I still had to come back and sand it down really smooth, kind of straighten it out. So now that it's sanded, it's actually a pretty nice clean curve now, and it did take out a lot of the waviness. I had a lot of waviness, especially right in here and then over there. So this side is, I wouldn't say 100% done, but I'd say like 95%, because I still want to do a little bit of a round over, but I'm going to have to think about the round over because I want to do, we'll call it PMF2, PMF squared. I want to do that with a landscaper cloth around all the edging stuff first. So like in here, I want to put a layer of that in first, and then anywhere where we wrap around an edge, I want to do that. I want to do that up in here, have that landscaper cloth all through these surfaces, and be our first layer before we do the main PMF. So anyways, yeah, that's like 3 or 4 weeks. I think 4 weeks worth of work now just to do that one side. But we got this side prepped, so this side should go a lot quicker. We've learned what we're doing-ish, so we should go quicker on this side. So that's all we got for now. So, yep, there you go.